how to use Familo app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to review the Familo app, an app designed to keep you and your beloved ones connected in a more organized way. Whether you're looking for a family calendar, task manager, or even location sharing, Familo has it all. Let's dive in and see how it works. Familo is a family-focused app that lets you easily manage tasks, events, and even track the location of family members. It combines elements of a shared calendar with a to-do list, offering seamless communication and coordination among family members. But that's not all. It also provides a location sharing feature that can help ensure safety when you're out and about. Getting started with Familo is simple, so after downloading the app from your App Store or Google Play Store, open it up and create an account. You can sign up with your email address or connect via social media, and once logged in, you'll need to set up your family group. Simply invite family members via email or text, and they'll get a link to join the family circle on Familo. One of the standout features of Familo is its shared family calendar. You can add important events, birthdays, appointments, or even regular chores, and it will automatically sync with all family members. Everyone in your group can see upcoming events, set reminders, and make changes in real time, ensuring no one misses an important day or task. Familo also comes with an efficient task management system that you can use. And one of the key features that sets Familo apart from other apps is the real-time location sharing, as you can track where your family members are in case of an emergency or simply to stay connected. As far as design goes, Familo's interface is clean and easy to use. The layout is intuitive with clear icons and a simple color scheme, so whether you're on a phone or tablet, navigating the app is straightforward. And it's simple to add events or tasks. There is nothing complicated about it. Now let's talk about pricing. Familo is free to download and use, but if you're looking for extra features like advanced location tracking, unlimited task lists, or additional customization options, you can subscribe to their premium plan. The premium version unlocks all the powerful features and removes any limitations, but for the basic use, the free version should be sufficient. And there you have it, a quick look at how to use Familo and what it offers, whether you're managing tasks, events, or keeping tabs on your family's location. Familo has a lot to offer. Got any questions or comments? Drop them below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.